Want to lose weight? Let's talk calories. Listen up, because we're diving deep into a topic that's near and dear to a lot of us: weight loss. It's something many of us think about, but it can often feel overwhelming and confusing. It can feel like a mystery sometimes, right? With so much information out there, it's easy to get lost in the sea of diets, tips, and tricks. But what if I told you it all boils down to a simple equation? Yes, the concept of calories in versus calories out is the foundation of weight loss. Today, we're going to break it all down and explore 8 practical ways you can start losing weight by counting calories. From understanding your daily caloric needs to making smarter food choices, we've got you covered. It's not about deprivation, guys. It's about making informed choices that empower you to reach your goals. Imagine enjoying your favorite foods while still losing weight. It's possible with the right approach. Get ready to take control of your health, 1 calorie at a time. We'll guide you through the process, step by step, so you can feel confident and motivated on your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Before we jump into the how-tos, let's talk about why understanding your daily caloric needs is so important. Knowing this can be a game changer for your health and well-being. It's not just about losing weight or gaining muscle. It's about giving your body the right amount of energy to thrive. Think of it like this: your body is a car, and calories are the fuel. Without enough fuel, your car won't run properly, and the same goes for your body. Too little, and you might feel sluggish and tired. Too much, and you could end up storing excess energy as fat. Just like a car needs a certain amount of fuel to run efficiently, your body needs a specific number of calories to function at its best. This isn't just about eating less or more, it's about eating right. A balanced diet with the right amount of calories can improve your mood, boost your energy levels, and even enhance your mental clarity. This number, my friends, is different for everyone. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. Your unique caloric needs are influenced by a variety of factors. It depends on factors like your age, gender, activity level, and metabolism. For instance, a young athlete will have different caloric needs compared to an older adult with a sedentary lifestyle. Even 2 people of the same age and gender can have different requirements based on their metabolic rates and daily activities. Once you know your magic number, you can start making informed choices about what you eat. This knowledge empowers you to plan your meals better, ensuring you get the right nutrients without overindulging. It also helps you understand how to balance your diet with your physical activities, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight and lifestyle. So, take the time to learn about your body's needs, and you'll be on the path to a healthier, happier you. Alright, so you know how many calories you need each day. Now what? It's time to become a calorie detective. Tracking your food intake might sound tedious, but trust me, it's a game changer. You can go old school with a food journal or use one of the many awesome apps out there. The key is to be consistent and honest with yourself. Every bite, every sip, every snack, write it down. Let's talk about meal prepping, the secret weapon in your weight loss arsenal. When you plan and prepare your meals in advance, you're setting yourself up for success. No more last-minute takeout orders or unhealthy impulse snacks. Plus, it's a huge time saver. Imagine this. You open the fridge and there it is, a week's worth of delicious, calorie-controlled meals ready to go. Portion control, my friends, is where the magic happens. It's all about finding that sweet spot between enjoying your food and not going overboard on calories. A simple trick is to use smaller plates. It tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. And remember, it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full, so slow down and savor each bite. You know those innocent-looking sugary drinks? Yeah, those are often loaded with hidden calories. We're talking sodas, juices, fancy coffees, you name it. These liquid calories can add up quickly and sabotage your weight loss efforts. The good news, there are plenty of tasty and healthy alternatives. Water is your best friend, but you can also enjoy unsweetened tea, sparkling water, or even a small glass of low-fat milk. Okay, time to channel your inner detective again. Reading food labels might seem confusing at first, but it's essential for making informed choices. Pay close attention to the serving size, calories per serving, and the breakdown of fat, carbohydrates, and protein. Don't be fooled by marketing claims like low-fat or sugar-free. Always read the label carefully. Ever find yourself mindlessly munching away while watching TV or scrolling through your phone? That's where mindful eating comes in. It's all about paying attention to your food, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to enjoy your food and less likely to overeat. Remember that calorie equation we talked about earlier? Well, exercise is a powerful way to tip the scales in your favor. When you're physically active, you burn calories, which can help you create a calorie deficit and lose weight. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. And there you have it, 8 practical ways to lose weight by counting calories. These methods are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, making it easier to stay on track. Remember, this isn't about deprivation or following a restrictive diet. It's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes balance and well-being. It's about making informed choices that empower you to reach your goals. By understanding what you eat, you can make better decisions that support your health and fitness journey. It's a journey, my friends, and there will be ups and downs along the way. Every step you take, whether big or small, brings you closer to your goal. But with consistency, determination, and a little bit of calorie awareness, you can achieve amazing things. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Now, I want to hear from you. Your experiences and stories can inspire others who are on the same path. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to weight loss? Is it finding the right foods, staying motivated, or something else entirely? Let's chat in the comments below. Share your thoughts, tips, and questions. Together we can support each other and make this journey a little bit easier. Remember, you've got this.